Hello, everybody. I am here with the CVS membership box. I have two of them. So I have this big box here, and then I have another big box that I can't pick up right now. I think I mentioned a lot of times that they have a membership and it's $5 something a month, and then on the 7th you get a $10 reward, and you can combine that with all kinds of coupons. So let's get into this membership box. Okay, the first thing I have is this big pack of Zest. This is the Aqua, and it smells so good. And I have 8 bars here. I have the One and Other Sweet Luxury Moisturizing Body Wash. This is the 24 ounce. What this thing smell like? It's okay. It smells like bubble gum. I have the Suave. This is the family size Suave Essentials Daily Clarifying Cleansing Shampoo with rich lather, long-lasting fragrance in the 22.5 ounce. So I combined a lot of this with their coupons, and I got some good deals. I got some real good deals of stuff. Here's the One and Other Radiant Rose Exfoliating Body Wash. I have brought this before, 24 ounces. It smells okay. But the lather is good, and that is the most important thing. It gets you nice and clean, right? I got this Foca. I got a lot of detergent, y'all, and I pick up laundry detergent for my mother and my sister. Here's the Roma. Nice size bag, and it's like $5 something. And sometimes with my coupons, I can get this for like $3. One time I got it for $2 or something. So that is a great deal, right? These are the 70.54 ounce. And I think this is the same. Is it? Yeah, 70.54 ounce. Okay. Take some more stuff out, and then I'll get into that other box. Okay, I got 2 of these Blue Magic hair grease, and I love this for my hair. I love to put a little bit on my wigs, and I also use it to moisturize like my legs and stuff. And it always smells good. That nice bergamot. I like the bergamot smell. So let me put this stuff back in here so I can get into this next box. I'm about to run out of camera space. Let me hurry this thing up. Let me pick up this other box. It's the Foca. And I have another Foca here. So I'm not just trying to keep myself stocked up. I like to give it to my family. Okay. So I have the Zotang. I always talk about this. This is good. This is the 14.1 ounce. Okay, and I have 4 of these. This is the Tide Simply Oxy Boost and Ultra Stain Release. This is the Tide Simply All-in-One, 24 loads. This is the All Simply All-in-One. Stains out, odors out, fresh scent, 24 ounces. This is the Tide Simply Oxy Boost Ultra Stain Release. And I only have 2 more things here. One and Other Citrus Burst Moisturizing Body Wash. Enriched with vitamin E, 24 ounces. And it smells like oranges, lemons. And I got another one. So guys, with this membership club, you can really get some good deals. Sometimes this detergent is $2 or something. And it seems like the more you add your coupons, more coupons start to pop up. Okay, so if you are interested in getting some good deals, you get that CVS membership. It is really worth it. So I will be back with some more videos. Okay, love you guys. Bye.